So the bro's here. He brought some goodies. So I think we're gonna do a proper unboxing today. Let's go see what he brought to the channel. So on the way out here, there's just boxes. But the reason why we're doing an unboxing today instead of, you know, working on the car is that all hell is about to break loose. Holy hell, Batman.
Yeah, there's a little bit of stuff.
Hey, buddy.
Oh!
So, yeah, just a little bit of stuff. Just a tad. Wait, what is that? What? Oh. Oh. What kind of craziness are we getting into right now? Whew, it's about to get ugly out here, though.
Watch the video of what we're supposed to do first. Yeah. It's gonna be weird.
Current look.
You know, I think
So everybody knows Eric. He's the guy who's been doing, goddamn, 95% of the work on the car.
yeah,
Sort of. And he's also a bit of a mad scientist, so he dropped a little bit of cash, and by a little bit I mean a lot. So we're gonna let him do an unboxing today. We're gonna show off, and we'll see if he wants to talk about his plans with some of this stuff, but let's get into it and see what Eric brought Project Valkyrie. Let's see how crazy this is about to get.
Let's do this. I guess we'll actually start with the big long boxes. Bertha, please. So I do a little bit of everything. I love to make things. So I've decided that there's a bunch of plastic stuff underneath the hood. Well, like I said, I like to tinker, I like to play around. I'm pretty good at all things above. So I've decided to forego the plastic and yo! Oh, that's the vacuum.
Is that the vacuum bag?
That's the vacuum tubing stuff.
Oh, we're a little retarded.
No, it's right here. Lord have mercy. So instead of plastic,
yeah, instead of plastic,
let's go with carbon fiber, right? So I was wondering why this thing was actually so big, but
that's what she said.
she never said that. No. This is actually some stuff for the to actually make the carbon fiber, which we might go into that in a little more detail. But you know, carbon fiber is really nice and pretty, but wouldn't it be so much better if we went ahead and did a colored carbon fiber?
Oh my god.
Oh, hell, look at that.
Bring it up to the camera.
Look at that.
Up, up, up. Ooh, that is gorgeous. That is all red and black weaved, true pre-preg?
No.
No?
No, it's not pre-preg. Pre-preg, you have to put in the ice ball, you have to freeze it, and then the pre-preg is a lot different than the normal carbon fiber, because with the pre-preg, it comes with the resin impregnated in it already. So in order to activate the resin that is pre-pregged in it, you have to actually put it in an oven, get the temperature up, with vacuum bagging to make sure everything is.
Okay, so what's your plan with this? Because that's a lot of carbon.
Dude, that is a lot.
That is a lot of carbon.
It's a lot more carbon than I thought, and
now,
it is gorgeous.
Shout out the company it came from.
Yes.
Composite
Solutions, I think. Yep. Isn't it?
Composite Envisions.
Envision, there you go.
Composite Envision. So those guys are right there.
Yep. And they actually have some really nice carbon fiber.
Dude, that is gnarly. And this is not a wrap. If you can look right there, those are separate weaves on the outside of it. That's the end of it right there. So it's true red and black carbon fiber.
It's unfortunately, carbon fiber is black. So the red in it is actually a fiberglass, but it's still considered carbon fiber. So this is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm actually doing part of the under the hood. Once you open the hood, you have your radiator support, and you've got that big long black plastic thing there.
The cowls.
The cowl that goes over actually the radiator support.
For a lot of the Challenger guys, the cup holders.
Yep, the cup holders, which I don't really like that so much, but...
Well, if we didn't have to work on them so much, we wouldn't need cup holders.
I know, that's right. So, that is for that little part. Now, this is going to be... We'll go with a heavier one.
Birthday store right there.
Yep. Now, this is the one that is going to be more for... Let's really mess people up.
This is going to be the touch that nobody else has.
This will be the rear seat delete kit, part of it, that I'm making for
custom. The reason why? How many demon seat deletes do we try to fit? Like 4?
It's crazy.
Nobody can get it to us.
And should we go ahead and tell them why we're actually really doing the rear seat delete?
Go ahead.
So we have a company, found a company. They make cages, roll bars, and so forth. We found one. We liked one. Alex did his thing. He got one.
So shout out to the newest sponsors.
There you go.
MFR Engineering. We will have a full cage in the back of the car, full roll cage from the front seat back, full deletion of the rear. And Eric here is going to be making the craziest custom rear seat delete you're probably ever going to see.
Holy dude, if you thought the red and black quill was nice. Oh, dude.
Oh,
look at
whoa.
that. Look at that.
Check that out. Okay, so, you ready for this? Oh, wow.
Oh, my goodness.
This is a red and black camouflage.
And this will actually be...
Wow.
The rear...
Wow. This is gnarly.
Yeah.
What?
That is
intense.
That is gorgeous.
Wow.
That is...
Wow.
Dude. Can you...
Stay in the life of me.